Hello guys, before the video starts, I would like to say if you guys would also like to get yourself a LAD white box as well, I'll put down the seller's Discord and whatnot. She goes lives every Thursdays on whatnot, so you guys can buy your items on the lives. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Hello guys. Oh my god. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be unboxing more of the Love and Deepspace Lavender series or Valentine's box series. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm addicted to this series. So yeah, let's get started. Anyways, if you guys hear this loud noise, it's the heater. So just forget about that. I was hoping that wouldn't be on, but guess it turned on. Okay, so this is number 9. I I picked box number 9 because 9 is my favorite number. I'm hoping this will be I'll be getting some good pulls. Hold on. Okay, I finally got the box open, or I finally opened up the wrapping. Took a whole decade, but let's open these up. Promo for last. Oh, this is kind of tiny. I think I probably know it's probably a keychain. But yeah, let's open these up. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully I wasn't breathing so hard in the beginning. Kind of scared. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Raphael. Good pull. Or, yeah. Okay. I don't know where to honestly put these. I'll just put this in here for now, I guess. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I think y'all just saw underneath. 2, 3. Silas. Yeah, Silas might be is starting to be my second on the list. It used to be Zane's, Xavier, but now it's Silas. 1, 2, 3. Silas again. You know what? I might just move these over here for now. Okay. Second. This is on the left side, by the way. I always start with the left side. 1, 2, 3. This is like candy. Goddamn. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Silas. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Zane. Okay, this is the card I wanted. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Zane. Oh my god. I'm still shocked. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Zane. I'm still shocked that I got that. What is it? That rare Zane card. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at this again. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the back. Bruh. I'm just glad that I got this card. Oh my gosh. You guys ready for this one? Oh my gosh. I'm getting some good pulls. Damn. This is a struggle. Hopefully I'm not breathing too hard. Damn, my shirt is really big. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Caleb. I remember I called him Zach on my first video. That was pretty bad. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Zane? I think I have this card. And that closed on me. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Caleb. I heard that he became a jerk. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about that. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Silas. Oh my gosh. Goddamn, my mask is really up in my eye. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Xavier. Cute. And then this one I saved for the last one for this set. Oh, damn. I keep getting this card. This is my third one. Wow. I guess that card, I cannot speak. That card really likes me. Oh, this one that feels thick. Okay, we'll save that one for last. Or, you know what? We'll just go for it. Ready, set, go. I feel like thick card, man. We'll save that for last. Okay. What the heck? It won't go. What the heck? Oh, I'm guessing there's only just one in there? I'm so confused. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Oh, whoa. Silas? Oh my gosh. Well, you could press on it too. Oh, this is a thick card. Oh my gosh. So yeah, my top is Zane and Silas. Yeah, I got like a bunch of like some good pulls from Silas and stuff. I was kind of wondering, what he's like. So I just watched a bunch of videos and then he became my number 2. I don't know. Zane might change to my number 2 and then Silas might be my number 1. I don't know. We'll have to see. But damn, that was just one card. I was just surprised. That was a thick card too. Okay, ready guys? 1, 2, 3. Caleb. Ah, well, let's keep closing. 1, 2, 3. Raphael. I think I have this one too. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Raphael again. Guys, this is too crazy. Okay, on to the second set, the right side. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, wait. Oh yeah, guys, I bought like another box too. So if y'all see me wearing the same shirt, it's the same day. Just like my last two videos. I couldn't wait. I opened it in the afternoon, one in the afternoon, my part one, and then my part two was like at the night. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Silas. 1, 2, 3. Zane. I don't know if I have this one. Maybe I don't. No, maybe I do. 1, 2, 3. Xavier. I'm actually pretty nervous. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, 1, 2, 3. Zane. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Raphael. Okay, now the second, which I saved for last for this set. Another one. So I also ordered like 2 more too. And this is my dupe. My dupe. Yeah. Ready, guys? I hope I'm not breathing too hard. I keep repeating that. 1, 2, 3. Raphael. He's thinking. What are you thinking about? 1, 2, 3. I don't have this one, Raphael. Well. 1, 2, 3. Silas. This one he's probably thinking too, right? No. No, he's not. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. Okay. Ready, shoot for luck. 1, 2, 3. I'm nervous, guys. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, Raphael playing the flute. Oh my gosh. So cool. 1, 2, 3. Zane. I think I have a bunch of these, maybe. I don't know. Okay, now for the finale. The second card for this set. Oh, Silas! I have a bunch of Raphaels. But then, like, yeah, I pulled 2 more Raphaels. No, 3. But then I traded 1 for, I think, for Xavier? Pretty sure. I'll show you guys that set too when I get it. But, yeah, let's keep going, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous here. 1, 2, 3. Raphael. 1, 2, 3. Is this Caleb? Yeah, I think it is Caleb. Caleb. I'm just glad I didn't call him Zach again, because that was pretty embarrassing. Caleb. Oh, guys. Only 1 more. Okay, ready? This is so sad. Just 1 more. I wish this never ends. 1, 2, 3. Raphael. 1, 2, 3. Xavier. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh my gosh. Hopefully y'all can see that. 1, 2, 3. Raphael. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, guys. I almost forgot about this one. The promo. Are you guys ready for the finale? 1, 2, 3. I think this might be a keychain. Maybe. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it was a card. Oh, what? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay. I thought this was gonna be a keychain, but it's a card. KZF. This is crazy. Okay. This was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys on part 2. Goodbye. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.